you don't know your boy razor blade and
yeah.
how we do a little mukbang. Look what I fry some nuggets and Angel. No, I none of my nuggets because I burn them up, but I tell her I say I want to do a mukbang with her because I want to hear how she feel. Meanwhile, I clap up some food. And
excuse how me look, please.
Yeah, because we tired. We just tired.
For everybody, we're going to say, Andrew, me tired, bad. Me tired.
We tired. So, we're gonna do a nuggets mukbang. With only chicken nuggets.
Burn.
Don't come look for my nuggets then. Don't eat none then.
Make a eat one them when I burn.
Alright then don't. I'm glad I was a couple of days when I burn. So you can eat 3.
3?
Don't correct me.
Me not correct you, babe.
So we need some ketchup to start.
But yeah, just ignore how me look.
Babe, you said that already. That's cool.
No, me have to say it again. For people
what?
them would just come.
Them. I want live video this.
Yeah. Babe, why you gonna put ketchup on it like that?
Oh, I come.
Put ketchup one part in a plate like normal human.
So you, oh, you're not normal human, cause which normal human does that?
So babe, in case we don't need so much, we can just always eat and dip.
Oh, we don't need so much, we need it. So as I see in the title, we're going to talk about, oh, well, me want to know more about how she feel. You see me, because me travel this back and forth at the time, it don't really matter me. So let's start with you, with my bird nuggets, babe. How do you feel about moving to Kingston?
You know what I mean? I do. I feel good. More opportunities. I'm hoping. It feels good because I mean I have a lot of plans though.
You have plans?
Because my friends and my dad are going to stay a long time.
Who, Shane?
Shane?
Him
too, but
I'm not stop if I can meet your friends then, man.
give me some more ketchup.
Oh, you want more ketchup now? Okay, let's do this again.
Ketchup, I go finish. Want to with KFC ketchup?
No. Them there somewhere.
You know, so mama did give me one ketchup yesterday, I'm not take you.
Alright. So that alone, you just want to go there if you link up friend and you feel like
I just want to go there because I feel like better opportunities are there. And as me say, yeah, just better opportunities. And
that's your only concern when you're doing something?
Not really, because I mean it is more, I mean I'm not really happy because I go left my mother. I'm not used to that, none at all. I didn't make me emotional. Me actually, Jason came in last night and I did a cry. Like me did just emotional. Me did a think about everything and Jason did ask me what do me, and I say I'm sad because me did really feel sad because my baby sisters, my mother, my stepfather, me love them bad. And me like when them call me, I can't just run go do anything what them say me to do.
You miss that?
Feel emotional.
Yeah, crying over you, babe.
I'm not gonna cry, but they always like need me help somewhat.
You go cry? Maybe I'll cry. I think you done cry for last night. Babe, no matter what you foolish is, babe. I just part of life, babe, where I learn to adjust to. Just like when you move up from here from first, then we move come over here. And that's part of life, and I really, you are...
But me never that far from them, that's the thing, me not know. Because even my baby sister, like whenever I'm happy, mother normally, like when me leave work, mother stop over there, mother just go hug her up and You know, anything me have mother just care for them, like anything when me know they like.
They can do that just the same, you know, baby.
I mean, I understand, I just traveling, but baby, you know, understand the feeling. Me like to know if nothing for happen, me can run go over there, go help my mommy. Just like with Christmas dinner, right? We did there help out with so much things, like me not feel good for no, so me not go there near. And not only that, me can always go for my mother go take up anything I want. It might sound, but I'm my mother. Like anything, me ask Jason, me can go with my mommy and shop there.
Miss Desiree, that was never part of my plan to go shop there to keep on straight.
Ow.
Gosh. I understand that part they don't. So may I pressure you to move from Kingston?
No. That I never eat. But me know me I just want family person. Jason know that me I want family person. Like my little family we not perfect, and when I grew up and when I grew up because my mother have no bag of this and no bag of that, and but we try to like stay together and be happy. We have a little fuss because you know parents miserable and all of that. But I love my stepfather and I love my mother.
Parents miserable and you get trouble, may I pick up here, Miss Desiree. 2 points for that.
But me I just want family person. I love for like just their own my mother. I just love for their own my family. It make me feel happy.
That will make anybody feel happy.
And then on the other hand, Jason mommy, even though me not gonna look for her much, me like when me then near because certain stuff happened couple weeks ago.
Months.
And months, well a couple months ago, and me did just then near for just you know run go sort out that, like run go do this, run go do that. See, it's like me don't know, but one thing will make me feel much better about what me I go through right now. You have to learn to better yourself if you want to like do better in other people's life. If that makes sense. So me just I try to go like you know go up there so and see what can happen. I know me have potential. Anything what me say me I go do, I can do my very best. Even if I'm new to it, and that is what I love about me. I admire that about me. When it new, me never do it before, but we do it like me I do it long time. So that not really bother me, but I'm excited, very excited.
Let us say go.
Give me that one, yeah.
You want that one? Take it. For me, to me, it don't really matter. Me just know, say, me have my reasons why I want to.
It's split up in. They actually taste good when they burn-ish.
Oh. And me I fry them every day, so that's what I can tell you. So I can tell you, man, Nuggets king. Anyway, with me now, it's like me travel there every day. I basically live at Kingston long time, it's just that my things them there are clearing that. For me, I know, say, certain moves, me end up system I have to make it. It's inevitable unless I want to put on what I do on YouTube. So I guess when I want to do what's right, you have to just do what's right. I just feel like what's right is to get closer. I travel too late on the road at night time. Enough time, 1 o'clock my walk come in 12. And that cut it. You know people that say, so come out for the area, but they will understand say when I need to get a content done, time no matter. Time no matter. A video can shoot 9 in the night. Once I have lights, a video can shoot early in the morning. So with me being in Kingston, I need to be closer that when the opportunity they present itself, I'm ready to grasp it. Because enough things pass me. Because at the distance, nobody knows. I mean, I could do better with so much things, even though I do good at it already. It's just that I'm not too far. I mean, I don't know about no other YouTuber, but my type of content, I'm not too far. You see me, come see other YouTubers all over the place when I generally have to move to Kingston. But the things that when me like post, I have to get myself not to home. I have to get myself closer to my circle where I know say people me can depend on for help me start on my stuff and them can depend on me too.
True.
In the family part now, I already did kind of group to that now and say that can happen. My brother and my sister already gone. My little sister. And I understand the part about going home to mommy because enough things happen and I wish me did it close. Yes, but I guess I one of them things there. Suppose it was a thing when me there overseas. What would I do? Take plane, come back every minute?
I mean, I understand what you said.
No, I talk about my part, I not talk about your part.
Me know, but I just the first part, I just the feeling where you get at first. Because even if you did go foreign, you still don't have the feeling there the first part.
No, as me say, you are talk about you, me are talk about me.
So you would have the feeling the way you miss them?
What I know? I not tell you about your feeling or how you feeling. I understand how you feel. I just tell you about my part. Say that because when I go Cayman, I just nostalgic to take me plane for the first time. I was nostalgic to leave from my mother place because I always been out. You see, so and I not try to address your part, but just tell you say how me feel. Me ready for the opportunity. Me ready to do that because I kind of sit down and think into it long time and far ahead. I not just get up today and say I'm going to move to Kingston. I've been and think about it and I think about how I can maximize on things by moving. So it would be like, yo, Jano, I'm going to left from my mother. It's not going to be that for me. I kind of put myself in that situation there, or position there in my mind. So know, say, I'm one of them things that I have to do. I can't really help them if I not maximize for what I do. And just that's the big thing. So I'm going to stay down here and take a longer time to get things done. And I'm going to go, I can get it done and take a shorter time to reach it so I can help back home if I help back. So, and that's me really think. But I understand what you say still because any person moving out of them parents' yard, I go feel nostalgic some type of way, especially when you and them close, because you are your family close. Not my family close, but you are your family closer. You see it, so. One of them things there. And with them things there, I find out say, after a time, everybody really understand. You see, if you go out there and do good, or yeah, when I say progress there, your family never gonna feel good about that because them don't want you to sit down and be stagnant. You see, if Miss Desiree in the home and see her reach out in the world, no matter how the distance far, she gonna feel good, she gonna know say right then, my daughter out there do it. Same thing with my mother. No matter how my mother never did really up to the comedy thing with me depend. When she go to church and people are talking about me or when people are talking about me from overseas, so she feel good. You see it, so if me did come out and get stagnant or just not do nothing, or just a waste time, or just do something different, illegal, bad, negative, whatever you want to call it, then would have feel away. Them the time that the distance that really matter to them, because they'll be like, yo, better never come out of the yard. At the end of the day, you still have to come out of the yard because you don't want to live with your parents forever. So, I understand what you say about the distance thing though, because you know, we're there kind of closer to them here. When we're there, which part we're there, you know, say, otherwise it's going to be like, yo, Jano, we have to go take a bus, or is it 30 minutes from the highway still, not too far. But, I understand what you're saying. But that's what me feel about it. I feel like the move, yeah, if you kind of see it, did that come, eventually me did have to make it.
I mean, from a long time, we have plans that we're going to move to Kingston, but let me tell you, we did a plan from a long time, so we're going to move to Kingston when we start with certain stuff, remember?
Yeah, and we did want to move from there. Move go there straight from Moko days. From Moko days, if we did really could have managed it, would have moved there long time.
But when it like, me not have no problem to move go there. As me say, Kingston is some home we don't really want to live, to be really honest. I mean, Clarendon is home, and I can't run from that. Because I come from Clarendon, it is home. All of my family they are Clarendon. Everything with them own they are Clarendon. Well, some, because some of them really come from Kingston. But at the same time, when the day come for you make that big move, it's like, you know, you're gonna have a little flashback. That happened to me, you know. So it's not like I don't want to go there, but you know, the little mushy feeling there, it a creep up on me. Because even last night I did break down, like, I staying at the house and I know I did a cry for like 3 hours straight. I did just put on my phone and I ignore every call because everybody needs time, by the way. So that's what I don't know to explain. But yeah, I mean, I don't have no problem to move go there. And it's not a thing where JC will say my force me because me probably force you more. I mean, me know what I go do for you, but more opportunities there. Me see all of my cousins them just take them go there one by one until them live there now. I could even call them and say you can host on for me there, even though not them never come through with nothing, but me could have called and say you can host on for me. So I have family members who are really good and not even members of them come from Clarendon. I mean, me can finally get to like invite them over, or you know, I worry about small things though. That's one of my biggest problems.
Yeah, you have to look on, you know,
I worry about small stuff like that's one next topic. But yeah,
no, I know where you call small love.
I don't want to about it now.
Okay.
I mean, I'm happy to go there as what Jason asked me, but I just miss them already. I'm not cry again.
No, one little piece of string under your eye.
Under my eye?
Yeah, you're not sure what you did it though. Yeah, you gone.
So yeah.
Yeah, I must say still, for me, it's much easier for me if it made the adjustment because I must have did it every day.
Yeah, and then Jesse used to, but normally when I go Kingston, I ask Jesse a question like, when am I going to reach that town? What? I mean, I go there, but I don't study the place. Like, I just go and I buy something and I come home and it's like me not sit down and I say, oh, this all when you turn off for this one. Now I really need to like know them stuff. Them need to like pay attention now to those stuff.
I mean, need to know a lot more stuff about there too, cause enough things about there I don't know. So the adjusting phase for me, we all need to do the adjustment there.
True.
So that's one of them things. Because you don't know, you're born as a little country person, moving to town still is a big move, you know. Because town naturally faster. You have to
very
adjust
true.
to that.
It is faster, more opportunities, but the cost of living
is high.
Is high.
And then you have to adjust to the bad parts because everywhere bad parts come into play. You know, this is Jamaica. There's me hear it no, but I'm not sure. I not think there's no parish here where crime free. You always hear somebody say, not too happen they say, but if a crime you run from, might as well you just go up in the woodland go live because this alone crime will happen. So I want them think the way when me just try to adjust because things happen everywhere. And at Kingston, I have a big fan base at Kingston. I love my supporters and my fans and I call them family, but me is more like a private type of person. I reserve most of the time. So I always want to be around everybody, but at the same time I know say it's necessary to go there to grow even more because when me go town and I see some of my other YouTuber friends them, I know them big and I see people and we talk to people about them and people will be like, who that? I don't know who. It shows me in my mind say naturally a lot more fans out there for make, a lot more success out there for gain, a lot more, you know. Yeah, all about the sucks, but a lot more success out there for gain.
But that's the one that you made a mistake.
Yeah, I said it. A lot more success out there for gain. It's like when you go Kingston and you see like a big comedian. I don't really want to call a name. I say, you know this and the person I say, no. It's like I say, if you don't know him, imagine how much people don't know him. It's like me have 100,000 subscribers, but Jamaica have 2.8 million people. I mean, but just brush it and remember all my subscribers them are Jamaican, so I scratch the surface right now. And I feel like I can go viral a lot more. I feel there is so much I can do. When I down here, I have to baffle to get people to record for me most time. Thank God for Kadesh and sick music. Because of them record for me. None of my friends really do that.
Down here?
Down here.
Oh.
Down here. And when I do up, so I feel like I have a little team ready. When I say, yo, we're going to do that, you know, everybody ready. We just need to set with date and time.
In all honesty, you're more productive in Kingston.
By far. And that's why I say I have to make the move because I see that.
You're more productive in Kingston because You know, me admire, me not think me ever tell you, but me just like to take the time up to tell you, not because we're there in front of the camera, but me just admire the amount of work you want really put in when you link up. You know, sometimes when you see a friend, you don't want to sit down and say, Bumba, me cool a big reason. It is always about work. And me just love it. Me just love say really can depend on you. Me just love say you can depend on really, like me admire them stuff there. I mean, down here we have 1 and 2 persons, as I say, where you can call up and for record for you, but it's like with Rolly, it's not only about recording. It's more it's wanna motivate each other, wanna record for each other. Meanwhile, you can chat and you can laugh. You can just have that brother talk there. Other than the whole video.
You see that same thing where you say the choir say we don't really sit down and I say, yo dad, this and most time we do that in the hours and night when we edit. So when everybody
like
when everybody asleep, when we don't go up on the road, the whole day go sleep out with and we are edit. We do juke itself, and them the time we still gonna really talk about them and stuff there. And really and truly them the conversation they keep you up right through the night. So I not like, even when we look at it, the most I ever spend at Kingston are 2 weeks. When we go Kingston for 2 weeks, 2 weeks man.
More than 2 weeks.
No man,
you spend more than 2 weeks at Kingston.
Never check you back and show you at 2 weeks.
They can check you with you right now.
At 2 you one day by yourself at 2 weeks we spend.
You spend
this the lady at 2 weeks.
You never spend 2
weeks. Yo, hear me I say no. Hear me I say no brick on brick 2 weeks we spend. Hear me I say no baby, but anyway, I spend 2 weeks there then.
2 weeks or 5 days.
Come, let me talk to you. I spend 2 weeks there already and put out more than 40 videos. When me up there and when me come back, I still a drop video. That's amazing. Because 2 weeks are literally 14 days and I put out 40 videos. And it's like, when people would see a number like 40 videos and not like 14 days, people would be like, no, quantity over quality over quantity. But I now just drop some random videos when it make sense. I really post out my heart, you see me? So, as you know, on YouTube, the more videos you make, we get the views, them, that's how you live your life. I have to explain everything down to you. So, I know I need to be in the place where I can be like, okay then. I not have to, because most time I live down here, I have to sit down and put myself in the frame of mind to go travel and bus go up. And it's like, I sit down and I say, I have to sit down and book town bus park 40 minutes before
you can't just move. Imagine that discouraging. Because when me have shopping to go do,
me tell you,
I mean I take when more than 20 minutes. When me sit down at town bus park, I'm in the pan 40 minutes now and bus down so before it move. By the time I reach town, I'm tired already, you know. I remember me I left town like we had done the video shoot 5, 6. By the time I link up early and we do a little exchange or exchange or whatever happen. I live back up there so 7, 8 to go and travel back and bus come down. And it's like that drive they tell me, one thing I hate traveling in a bus and sleep, and most of them nights now, I come down and I nod, I sleep. I don't trust that. A bus can shake and you fling yourself all over the place and people can rob me right up on the bus. You might never know. So I'm tired of them long night of driving. All I need to do is just take a little taxi at 5 minutes or 10 minutes, reach home, get the edit in time and post. Now for the time, I know I'm that productive. I could have reach home, edit and post same time. But it's like, I have to wait for the next day because of the whole transportation thing. And for the on the road like 12 and 11 at night time, I love when I take the long drive them just to meditate. But if you come in them hours there, when I come in, I want to talk to you, you're asleep, you're tired. I don't like that. So I think this move is a very good move. I hope it are more positive than negative. Like I think it out, say it should. I hope it does. And we just have to try adjust, baby. You don't know me did it for guide you. Really did it for guide you. Other people did it for guide you. So you have to just get used to it. New faces, new environment. Bag of thing. Yeah, new environment, bag of thing. And you have to just be, you have to just make the most of it. You see. I don't feel like you're going to do bad there. Whatever you take up, you're going to do good. I don't feel so either.
So, you have to just know, say,
very productive.
You have to just know, say, yeah, mommy have to go do more WhatsApp video calling. And you feel good. With me now, you know.
I can travel.
Yeah, I can travel too. But me not go be the one to travel your back and forth.
No, you don't have to, and I don't want that.
No, listen. You see, you love me tired to this every time me and you talk. You love me big talk. Thanks for watching the video. And remember to like, leave a comment what you think. Give her some encouragement. Give me put her some encouragement because I don't want her to be sad. I see her cry last night for one. I never feel good. And I say, babe, what do you have? Me I say, babe, but I'm sad. I am tired of that, babe.
Stop.
Tell me why you're sad, Putus. And cheer up.
You didn't know me soft and mushy.
And we need to find our way yet. And yes, God, I imagine when we find the place and everything. Come on. Cheer up. Do the do. Bricks pan bricks. Team Anja. Alright people, we're going to do the video here, so it was nice talking to you guys for half an hour.
No. No, they won't watch me.
What you doing?
ASMR.
You're a fool.
No, listen to this.
Stop fighting me now.
No, listen to bear, listen.
Me know what, let me listen to it after.
Hear this.
She fool.